A popular TikToker identified simply as disturbing has died during a live video on social media. NaijaNews learned that the incident occurred on Thursday at his residence in the Ikorodu area of Lagos State. A viral video which surfaced online showed the final moment of the content creator, who was visibly distressed. In the video, he appeared to have suffered a seizure before he later collapsed on the spot. The deceased, a popular cobbler and musician in the community, also bears the nickname Boko. He was also known to have been consistently involved in the Justice for Mohbad movement. Reacting to his death, the wife of the deceased, identified simply as Omowumi in a TikTok post, disclosed that the deceased hit his head on a stone the moment he collapsed. Omowumi stated that she was in the kitchen when neighbors called her attention to the incident. According to her, efforts made to revive him were unsuccessful as he passed away on Friday morning. She however noted that it wasn't the first time her late husband would be having seizures, as he had been on medications. Omowumi dismissed speculations of a spiritual attack, said the last time he had such a seizure was in February. While some linked the incident to a spiritual attack, some mourned with the deceased family. We'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.